If you use the steam bake and steam roast cooking modes often, it's recommended to run the descale cycle to remove mineral buildup and improve your oven's performance. If you notice your steam options are disabled, your oven may need to be descaled. Your control panel will alert you when descaling needs to occur. The steam cooking functions will be disabled until descaling is completed. It takes 3 hours for the descaling cycle to complete, so make sure you carve out enough time in your schedule before starting. And be sure you have a descaling agent on hand that's specifically for steam ovens or coffee machines. Begin by emptying and cleaning the water reservoir. Then, fill it with a descaling agent and clean drinking water, making sure not to overflow the reservoir. When you're done, place the reservoir back into place. Turn the mode knob to clean. Then, select Descale. If your oven doesn't have knobs, simply tap Descale on the control panel and tap Start to begin. Please allow the cycle to fully run. If you cancel or stop it in the middle, you'll have to restart the cycle from the beginning and complete it within the next 3 hours to re-enable steam bake and steam roast. When draining is complete, refill the reservoir with clean drinking water for rinsing. The reservoir will be hot, so make sure to use oven gloves when removing. After filling it, place the reservoir back into the oven and follow the prompts to rinse. Once rinsing is complete, be sure to empty and clean the water reservoir before using the steam cooking functions.